Cross product of parallel vectors. Suppose we have vectors a and b parallel to each other. It is interesting to determine the cross product of these vectors in this case. Note that here the angle between the vectors a and b is equal to 0, and recall that the length of a cross b is equal to the magnitude of a, times the magnitude of b, times sine theta, where theta is the angle between the vectors a and b. But the angle between the vectors is 0, so we have sine 0 here, which is equal to 0, and so the length of the cross product is equal to 0. It follows that a cross b is the 0 vector, as the only vector that is length 0 is obviously the 0 vector. Lastly, just an interesting note here, we got that the length of cross product is 0, and it really makes sense geometrically, as it represents the area of the enclosed triangle, but here we can see that there is no such triangle, and so its area is 0.